Hello everyone and welcome to the video about resources for preparing for IELTS. Before talking about resources, I would like to talk about motivation. A simple idea for being motivated for preparation for IELTS preparation is to book a slot before beginning preparation. This will give you a sense of purpose and urgency. Also, if you are employed and work either full-time or part-time, you can take out a few hours each night for IELTS preparation. And also, while you are at work in office, please speak in English. This will help you in the speaking section. Also, do not give IELTS with less than 21 days of preparation. I would recommend you to spend about a month preparing for IELTS. Good versus bad IELTS resources. Good resources are hard to find. Good IELTS resources are those questions which are exactly like those which you will find on exam day. Bad IELTS practice questions are those questions which aren't properly modeled after the official questions. They might either be too easy or too hard, and thus they will not give you an accurate understanding of how you will actually fare on the test. Regarding the IELTS practice tests, taking practice tests or appearing in practice tests is a very good method for identifying your weak points. You should give one before starting preparation so that you have identified your weak points and can focus on those in the entirety of the plan. You can also tweak the preparation plan so that you create the most effective study plan for yourself. Also, the practice tests are about 2 hours and 40 minutes long. Thus, I advise you to set aside this much time in a contiguous time slot and give this exam in a quiet and calm environment, because that is what you will encounter in the exam room. You should also practice using only the official IELTS practice tests. I've given the link to those on this slide. I will also provide it in the description box below. Now here I've given the links to some useful websites. You should browse these websites because they are a very good source of both written and spoken English. The different accents you encounter here will also help you in the exam. I will provide these links in the description box also. So since there are multiple criteria for each band score, I would advise you to go through the band score descriptors for each score and go through them properly. They are available on the official IELTS website, on the IELTS section of British Council's website, and on the IDP Australia's website. Lastly, there is an online IELTS preparation course by the British Council. You are given access to it for free if you register for IELTS via British Council. This course has resources for both IELTS academic and IELTS general training. It also has timed practice tests for both of these IELTS. It also has interactive exercises which can help you learn from your mistakes. There are also videos on advice from IELTS experts which you can listen to and watch in order to improve your score. The best thing about this course is that it has a My Progress section where you can track your progress over the days. The link is given on this slide. I will also provide this link in the description box, and I would strongly recommend you to take a look at this course. Okay, so that was all from my side. Best of luck for the exam. I hope you do very well. Thank you for watching this video.